Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send order confirmation emails on Shopify. This is an essential part of running an online store, as it keeps your customers informed right after they make a purchase. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and open your admin dashboard. From here, click on the Settings option in the bottom left corner of the page. Next, select Notifications from the menu on the left-hand side. Under the Customer Notifications section, click on Order Confirmation. Here, you'll find the default email template that Shopify uses to send order confirmation emails to your customers. By default, Shopify automatically sends these confirmation emails every time someone places an order on your store, so you don't have to send them manually. However, if you'd like to customize the email template, simply click on Edit Code. This will allow you to adjust the text, layout, or style of the email to better match your brand's look and feel. And that's it. Once your setup is complete, Shopify will automatically send an order confirmation email every time a customer completes a purchase. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future Shopify tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.